Explore the Geofence Details Report. The Geofence Details Report allows you to monitor vehicle activity within specific geofenced locations. Use this report to track when vehicles enter or exit designated areas and how long they remain on site. Let's begin by clicking Build New Report in the top right corner. Use the drop-down to select the Geofence Details Report or switch to other geofence reporting options. This helps you focus on detailed, location-based activity. Group report data by geofence, vehicle, or driver to organize activity in a way that best supports your operational analysis. Select one or more geofenced locations to review activity for specific sites, yards, or customer locations. Use the vehicle and driver filters to narrow results and analyze movement for specific fleet assets or personnel. Choose a date range to review geofence activity during a specific time frame, helping you monitor site visits or historical location trends. Adjust these settings to filter specific driver behaviors and movement patterns. Click Run Report to generate results using your selected filters and report criteria. Save your configured report settings to easily rerun frequently used geofence reports. Once your report is saved, click here. Export report data for offline review, compliance documentation, or sharing with stakeholders. You can either export the report as a CSV or as a PDF. Schedule the report to run automatically and receive regular updates on geofence activity. Press the Submit button to lock in scheduled reporting. You've completed your tour of the Geofence Details Report. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.